Most people don't actually want to be rich. They want to be free. Free from stress, free from debt, free from worrying about bills, free to choose how they spend their time. That is financial freedom. And it does not happen by accident. Welcome to Billionaire Files. Today we are breaking down real financial freedom strategies, not hype, not get rich quick, but principles that actually work. Strategy 1: control your cash flow. Financial freedom starts with one simple rule: spend less than you earn. It sounds basic, but most people ignore it. If money leaves your hands faster than it comes in, you will always feel trapped. Track your income, track your expenses, know your numbers. You can't control what you don't measure. Cash flow is the foundation of freedom. Strategy 2: build an emergency fund. Freedom requires stability. If one emergency can destroy your finances, you are not free. You are fragile. Build at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This fund is not for luxury, it is for protection. Protection creates peace of mind. Peace of mind creates confidence. Strategy 3: increase your income intentionally. Counting expenses as limits. Increased income does not learn high income skills, sales, marketing, tech, business, investing. The more value you can create, the more income you can generate. Freedom grows when incomes grow. Strategy 4: stop trading only time for money. If you only earn when you work, you will always have a ceiling. Financial freedom requires leverage. Build assets that pays you. Business, real estate, investment, digital product, content platforms. Create income streams that continue. Even when you are resting, that is how freedom becomes real. Strategy 5: invest consistently. Saving money protects you. Investing money grows you. Put your money into assets that appreciate over time. Stocks, index funds, real estate, business. The secret is consistency. Small amounts invested regularly compound into serious wealth. Time is the most powerful investor. Strategy 6: eliminate toxic debt. Not all debt is bad, but high interest consumer debt destroys freedoms. Credit card debt, impulse loans, unnecessary liabilities. Pay this off aggressively. Every dollar of debt paid is guaranteed return on your money. Debt changes you, discipline frees you. Strategy 7: think long term. Most people chase fast money. Financial freedom is built slowly. 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. The way to play long games, they are patient. They understand that compounding rewards discipline. Freedom is not built overnight. It builds daily. Strategy 8: protect your time. The ultimate goal is not money. It's control over your time. Money is simply the tool. When your investment cover your living expenses, you gain options. You can choose where to work, who to work with, or whether to work at all. That is real power. Final message: financial freedom is not about showing off. It is about peace. It is about option. It is about waking up and choosing your life instead of surviving it. Start small, be consistent, increase income, build assets, think long term, and one day you won't be chasing money anymore. Money will be working for you. If you want more wealth strategies, billionaire mindset, and financial freedom and financial intelligence, subscribe to Billionaire Files, because freedom is not given, it is built.